Hi folks, we're about 620 feet up above the town of Reading,
Pennsylvania.
and that over there is known as the Pagoda. Now today I've got the Mavic Pro with me. This is the one actually that was trapped in a tree for about a month, and I finally had a tree climber. He finally discovered it, was able to rescue it, and I created a video, and I'll link to that video down below. With me taking it apart, cleaning it out, cleaning any moisture out. It was mostly just cobwebs in there, but I haven't really flown it much since then. I wanted to test it out. I've flown it around the property a bit. We're going to give it a workout today. We're going to see how it does.
I have newer drones now that can fly further and take better video, but as strange as it may sound, I have some sort of an attachment to this drone. We drove up to that Lancaster Cemetery numerous times, and it was finally my son who spotted the drone 70 feet up in the tree after all the leaves had fallen off.
Take off. Please check it out.
Built in 1908, the Pagoda was intended to be the restaurant portion of a luxury resort. Plans for the resort were abandoned, and the 7-story structure was donated to the city of Reading in 1911. It's now part of the 1,595-acre Mount Penn Reserve. In the top story hangs a tocsin, a large bell cast in Obata, Mie Prefecture, Japan. The bell was originally cast in 1739 and hung in a Buddha temple for many years. Anti-Japanese sentiment was rampant after World War II, and there were calls to tear the building down, but it persevered and was restored in 1949. Today, the pagoda is owned by the city of Reading and is managed and preserved by the Foundation for the Reading Pagoda. It houses a small cafe, a gift shop, and has become a well-known icon for the city of Reading.
Alright folks, looks like she flies okay. I'll turn you around here, see this view one more time. It's beautiful up here. Alright folks, take care, be safe out there. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.